Hello guys, welcome back in today's video. My name is Kunal and today I have my brother and I'm going to talk to him. So let's have some experience of learning English from him. Yes, my brother, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Manish Yadav and I am from Haryana, Rewadi. So, I have 10 years experience regarding to teaching and I have my own business also. So, I have run 4 years coaching center for the competition exam like that the SSC, CGL or CPO or banking also. And after that, after 2022, I have joined an NGO. Its name is AAM Foundation, and I have worked 1.5 year on that NGO as a territory manager, and I have opened 17 branch in my territory in my rural areas. After that, I quit that job, and today I am in Unnati organization. It's a good organization. It is a good NGO also, and he makes some change maker. They will go to the colleges and some centers also and change the life of youth. So they provide some skill regarding to the job, and they some provide some skill like that the English speaking, personality development, and communication skill, and how to get job and how to crack the interview also. So this type of work in Unnati organization, and I am very glad to work here, and I also work for the society to improve the skills of youth. Those are not good in English, those are not good in communication skill, because in India most of the youth doesn't know about the English, how to speak in English, how to communicate to another person, maybe their boss or maybe family,
Keep continuing.
and make think that most of the youth are doing some unprofessional work. So at that time most of the youth doing suffering from the internet. They see the reels and most of the time spend on the internet, like the usage of Facebook, in Instagram or some social medias. So I want to improve their skill, and our nation also. If we improve the skills of youth, that time they earn, and our nation also make some economic growth. So we want to go to the colleges or cities and talk to the youth. Please join us. We will provide job also. We will provide the skill how to get the job. So this is the my main work. And at last, I would say to the people, if you have time or if you doesn't have any money, please join us. We will provide jobs, we will provide skill, we will provide how to get the job in your career, because career is very important for us in your life also. If you are success, then people respect you. If you are not success, then the people doesn't respect you. So they think about, this is a very bad boy or bad girl. If you doesn't earn any money or any thing, then they say that this is a useless person, or he doesn't know about the society, about the nation, or like that the community also. So if you want to do something to for your nation, so please join us. We have humble request to join us and improve and polish your skill. Thank you very much. So this is my opinion, and
Is any question, brother? Like I asked you one question. Now it's your turn. If you have something in your mind, you can also ask me. I would love to answer.
Yes. So we are belonging from Haryana. You also belonging from Haryana. So generally at that time, the if we talk about the jobs, or maybe if we talk about in Hindi, berozgari, unemployment. So in Haryana is the number one state in India. Most of the youth are unemployed. They think about that कि हम 10,000 की नौकरी करेंगे. We do not do the 10,000 RS. He think about that in first we get 40 or 30,000 rupees in beginning, but they do not have any skill. So how to get? So they will go to the some mobile apps, so for example, latest example regarding to the Mahakal app. So there is some games. This is very bad thing. Most of the student use how to get money. They spend 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees, and they think about that we get 5,000 rupees to spend 500 rupees. But is it possible? No, it is not possible. Without hard work, you doesn't earn the money. You do not earn the money. So hard work is very important in our life. And hard work, without hard work, you don't get any money to anywhere. If you spend any money to the app or some gaming, so you lost your money. And after that they frustrated, they take some borrow to another person, and after that they think about that how to pay this money. So this is happening in our Haryana or in our country also. Firstly, I talk to Haryana because most of the youth are unemployed in Haryana. So that's why I talk to about the Haryana.